So today we're going to talk about pipes in Angular. So generally pipes are two types, pure pipes and impure pipes. So if you come to the definition of pipes, we generally use to transform data before displaying into the UI. So using pipes, what will happen means there are some built-in pipes and the custom pipes we can create. So no need of calling or creating a methods to transform data. So without modifying the original data, using the pipe, we can format dates, we can format currency, we can convert text, we can display percentage, we can apply custom logics also. So types of pipes we have: built-in pipes, custom pipes, pure pipes, and impure pipes. So built-in pipes are the pipes which was provided by the Angular for common data transformations. And coming to custom pipes, we can create specific pipes whatever the logic we required, and then based on that it will handle the specific data transformations. So coming to pure pipes, it will execute whenever we were giving a value or an object reference changes. That time only this pipe will get executed. So most of the times we will go for using pure pipes only. Coming to impure pipes, it will execute during the detection cycle. Like if any changes happens in an array or objects, that time it will change. So these are the types of pipes. Coming to the examples of built-in pipes, we have a data pipes like which will format dates, and currency pipes, decimal pipes, percent pipes, uppercase, lowercase, title case, JSON pipe, slice pipe, async pipe, and key value pipe. So in an application, when we are developing an application, we may need to format dates. So it may not be in one component, we may have to do it in multiple component. If you just add this import of date pipe, and you can do the date form, we can do the format of dates without writing any functions to formatting the data. This pipe will help us to format the date. Similarly for currency pipes also. So in one component you may need this type of currency, in another component you may need different type of currency. So for all these you can use this built-in pipes. Similarly for percentages also, similarly for uppercase and lowercase, like previous, we don't need to call any method to convert into lower or upper or to any title case. We can use this pipes. So this is a built-in pipes which we have. So for this, if you just import the statement and use this pipe, the conversion will happen automatically. And coming to the JSON pipes, so it will display objects in the JSON format, and the slice pipe, like portion of the string in an array, it will extract and it will show you. Async pipe means it will, from the observables whatever we have, so it will subscribe and unsubscribe automatically. And coming to key value pair, it will iterate over the object properties. So these are the built-in pipes. And how we can create a custom pipe means we can do the we can use a command called ng generate pipe status, and it will implement the transform method, and we can use the pipe in the template wherever we require. So for example, if you have some predefined status for employees that you need to store in the pipe, like recruit, offer created, offer reviewed, or those status you can store in the pipe, and you can use across the components to show that status. So generally how it works means the component sends the data to template, and Angular it will execute the particular pipe which we are using, and the pipe transforms the value, and the transform value will display in the UI. So this way we can use the custom pipe. And coming to the pure pipe and impure pipe, so it will execute only when any input reference changed. Impure pipe on every change, like on change, on input change, those times this impure pipe will execute it. We mostly prefer using pure pipe for better performance of the application. So on change detection, if not checked if the input reference is same or not, but in impure pipe every time it will check if any change detections happens or not. Where we will use this pure pipe means for formatting, for calculation. Whenever we have API data, that time if I have to display the JSON data, I can go for using pure pipe. Similar way, impure pipe. Impure pipe, like for mutable data, arrays, objects, or changing them without any reference, we can go for that. So impure pipes will not use often. Whenever there's a mutable data, or we have to do array objects changing for transformation of data, we can go for that. And Coming to the last one was where we'll real time use case of this. So pure pipes used to format API dates, like as we mentioned already, dates, currencies, anything we can go for using. So in a specific scenarios only we will go for using impure pipes. But I suggest in general way we better to use the built-in pipes, because this will help us to not write multiple methods to because already there's some built-in piping. It's better to use it for currency and all. We don't need to write a methods and to format the currency values. It's similar for all the date or slice or I think anything we can use the same. So this is a small topic about pipes, how it works, and like it's just an imports available, and you can create the custom pipes also using ng generate pipes charge status, and we can implement the transform method where we will include the business logic. So this is this basic thing about the pipes.